Hello everyone, here is Meenakshi Rana. This is the second part of in situ conservation. In previous video, I have told you about national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. And in this video, I am going to tell you about biosphere reserves, which is also a part of in situ conservation. Firstly, we will discuss what is biosphere reserve. Biosphere reserve are the legally protected areas meant for the conservation of biodiversity without uprooting the traditional culture. A biosphere reserve consists of three zones. First one, core zone. No human activity is permitted in this zone. Next one is buffer zone. It surrounds the core area where a limited access permits to local people for the gathering of resources. Now third one is free zone. It is the outermost zone which is open to human settlements and resource gathering. The program is run by UNESCO's Man and the Biosphere Reserve. It has started a world network of biosphere reserves. The MAB program has built up the world network of biosphere reserves since 1971. Now we will learn about biosphere reserve. At present, India has 18 biosphere reserves. Let us learn the names. The first one is the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. It is located in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. It was the first and oldest biosphere reserve established in 1986. It is an international biosphere reserve in the Western Ghats and Nilgiri Hills ranges of South India, which was declared a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 2012. The next one is Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserves. The Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve or Nanda Devi National Park, established in 1982, is a national park situated around the peak of Nanda Devi in the state of Uttarakhand. The entire park lies an elevation of more than 3,500 meters above sea level. In 1988, the site was inscribed as Nanda Devi National Park in India, and in 2005 it was expanded to encompass the Valley of Flowers National Park. It is included a UNESCO list in 2004. Now third one is Nokrek Biosphere Reserve. It is located in the northern east of India on the Turga range, which forms part of the Meghalaya plateau. The entire area is mountainous and it is the highest peak of the Garo Hills, rising up 1412 meters. UNESCO added this national park to its list of biosphere reserve in May 2009. It was also established in 1988. Then comes here the Great Nicobar Biosphere Reserve. It is the southernmost island of Nicobar Islands archipelago. It is the largest of the Nicobar Islands in the Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Nicobar lies in the Bay of Bengal, Eastern India Ocean. It was established in the year 1989 and in year 2013 it was included in the list of Man and Biosphere program of UNESCO. Next comes the Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve. The Gulf of Mannar can be found in the Indo-Pacific region. It is located on the southeastern tip of India near Sri Lanka. It was also established in 1989. The Gulf of Mannar Biosphere Reserve occupies a prominent place in the cultural heritage and history of India. The famous pilgrim center Rameshwaram is situated in the Gulf of the island of Pamban. It is the largest biosphere reserve in India. Then it is the Manas Biosphere Reserve. Manas Biosphere Reserve and Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the state of Assam in northeast India. It spans the Manas River and is bounded to the north by the forest of Bhutan. It is the part of core zone and established in 1989. Now let's come to the next point, Sundarban Biosphere Reserve. The Sundarban Biosphere Reserve is one of the largest such forests in the world, lies on the delta of the Ganga, Brahmaputra and Meghna rivers on the Bay of Bengal. The Sundarbans, due to its unique ecosystem, has also been declared as a World Heritage Site in 1989. It spans from the Hooghly River in India's state West Bengal to the Baleshwar River in Bangladesh. Four protected areas in the Sundarbans are enlisted as UNESCO World Heritage Sites, namely Sundarbans National Park and Wildlife Sanctuary in 2001. Then comes Simlipal Biosphere Reserve. The Simlipal Biosphere in Mayurbhanj district of Odisha with a reserve forest area of over 2,750 square kilometers. Simlipal Wildlife Sanctuary is one of the biggest in the country. This reserve is part of the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserves since 2009. Then next one is Dibru-Sakhova Biosphere Reserve. Dibru-Sakhova National Park is a biosphere reserve in Assam, located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia districts. It was designated a biosphere reserve in July 1997. The park is bounded by the Brahmaputra and Lohit rivers in the north and Dibru River in the south. Then comes the Dihang Dibang Biosphere Reserve. It is situated in Arunachal Pradesh. Dihang Dibang is a biosphere reserve constituted in 1998. It is located in the Upper Dibang Valley district. The sanctuary is rich in wildlife. Then it is Pachmadi Biosphere Reserve. It is located in the Satpura range of Madhya Pradesh state in central India. It was created in 1999 by the government. It also contains animals from the Himalayan peaks and from the lower western Ghats. UNESCO designated it a biosphere reserve in 2009. Now next one is Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve. Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve is also national park located in Sikkim. The park gets its name from the mountain Kanchenjunga, which is 8,586 meters tall. It is the third highest peak in the world. It was inscribed to the UNESCO World Heritage Site list in July 2018, becoming the first mixed heritage site of India. Next comes here Agastmalai Biosphere Reserve. It was established in 2001 and located in Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Agastmalai Biosphere Reserve became part of World Network of Biosphere Reserves in 2016. It also under UNESCO's World List of Biosphere Reserve. Then here comes Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve. The Achanakmar Amarkantak Biosphere Reserve extends across the state of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. It was established in 2005 and it is included in UNESCO list in 2012. After that, here comes Kutch Biosphere Reserve. The Great Run of Kutch is a salt marsh in the Thar Desert in the Kutch district of Gujarat. Kutch Biosphere Reserve is mainly composed of two major ecosystems called Great Run of Kutch and Little Run of Kutch. The reserve mainly covers Kutch Desert Sanctuary in Great Run of Kutch and Wildlife Sanctuary in Little Run of Kutch. It was established in 2008. Then here comes Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. It is a biosphere reserve located in the Western Himalayas region within Himachal Pradesh state in North India. It was established in the year 2009. Now next one is Seshachalam Biosphere Reserve. The Seshachalam Hills are hilly ranges part of the Eastern Ghats in Andhra Pradesh. In 2010, it was designated as Biosphere Reserve. It is spread over Chittor and Kadapa districts. Tirupati, a major Hindu pilgrimage town, and the Sri Venkateshwara National Park are located in these ranges. Then comes the last biosphere reserve, Panna Biosphere Reserve. Panna Biosphere Reserve is notified on August 25, 2011. It is the third biosphere reserve of Madhya Pradesh. The area represents unique ecosystem within a narrow belt of tabletop mountains of Vindhya hill ranges and part of Bundelkhand region. It is the smallest biosphere reserve in India. So these were the all biosphere reserve in India with their respected locations. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.